Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. I'm Doug, and we have an unboxing. And this box here has come from Germany. And from a very serious collector, a lot of you, I would imagine, would know of his website. And that is, and I am name dropping, and that is Mr. Razor himself, who helped me through another collector purchase this razor. Cat's coming over to have a look. And this is, I don't know too much about these razors, but I've got it. It's just something appeals to me about it. Well, this one did. I've been watching these for ages. And there it is. I've forgotten the name of it off the top of my head, so it's obviously a slant. That spins. Does that come out? It sure does. There's the sick cat. Hopefully he's on the mend. Oh, there's a blade in there. So I'm not 100% sure how to get into this. So I will do that off camera, and I will shave with this at some stage in the future. But they come in a variety of colours, and I just like that pink looking marble. Not that it is marble, but, well, it could be, but I doubt so. It's plastic. So, let me know in the comments if you've actually shaved with one of these, or if you actually own one of these. And if you have shaved with one, let me know your thoughts. Okay. Thanks for tuning in. This one's going to be short and sweet. Okay. See you next time. Ciao for now.